Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Olsenmark top loader 8.5 kg top loader washing machine. This machine actually the control board everything okay perfect. Machine we can start the machine also, we can select whatever options, but water also taking to the machine, but machine not working. That's mean motor not rotating, drum not rotating. Because of that we have to resolve this issue, and we will remove the machine. We have to check motor continuity and also capacitor and clutch assemble everything, gear assemble, clutch everything we have to check, and we will go to the next step and we will check. Now I will show you what is the problem exactly this machine. Now I am selecting the spin cycle. You can see here this one AA soak is BB wash and CC rings and DD spin. That means DD mean direct drive, and also this machine having the programming system 1 2 3 4 by like that, up to 10. While you select when you select number 8, it should go spin cycle. Also here having one option, you can see here the first 3 second and entry into the spin program. Now, when I'm selecting here 3 second, this one it will come 8. You can see it is direct DD direct drive. It is 8 number. Now problem, I can select like that also. I can select here number 8 also direct, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we can start the machine. Now it's showing DD, it's reducing time. Now it's showing 8. Now it will come until 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 like that. After that the program will get end, but drum or motor not rotating. Now you can see here this one before 8 minutes is DD direct drive. It is remaining decreasing time, not increasing, decreasing. Now it is showing 5. Now within 1 minute it will come 4 3 2 1. After that its program will get end, but you can see here nothing, not rotating drum. This one now we will check. Now it came 4 also. Now we can check what is the exact problem. Now you can see here is drain pump, drain motor already, it's already clutch here, clutch already catch here, you can see here, but motor not rotating because it's very tight. While I'm see it should run actually, but not rotating. Now I will power off. After that I have to remove the belt, V belt, and we will check. Now we will still having power. Now I will disconnect the power. You can see, you can see the drain motor, it is already released now. That means that section is okay, the clutch also okay. Now I will remove the V belt. After that we will start again. It's motor, whether motor working or not. Now I already laid down the machine here. Now I have to remove the bottom cover here, this one. After that we can release the V belt from the motor and gear assemble. After that we will check again motor working or not with the drive option, that otherwise a spin cycle. Removing bottom cover. Now you can see here the motor already here, it's very heat. This one is very heat. Now what I'm going to do, I will release the V belt here. It's very heat actually. Now I will check direct again spin cycle. So whether motor working or not. Now I already given power again. Now you can hear the noise. Drain pump is okay. Also drain motor also is already catch gear, clutch assemble. Now we have to check only the motor. Pump, clutch assemble, everything okay. Drain pump also, drain motor. Now I have to check the motor. Still motor not start. Now you can see this capacitor, it is 13 microfarad, and I will replace the same volume capacitor, and we will give the power connection again. Motor will start or not, because this capacitor, if it is weak, motor not rotating. Because of that, we will replace the capacitor and we will check. 13. I having same microfarad 13 one capacitor. I will check with that if it is working. I have to change the capacitor. I will check this one, and here connection. I have to give all the connections again. And this one I will give one side here for the capacitor. And again this one for the capacitor. Also this is starting running. Actually it's both are same, the both sides should be the same starter. Now it's okay. Now I have to give common neutral wire. This one we can keep one side, and this one now already I finished all the harness assemble. I already reconnect. Now I have to give the power connection, and we will check once again direct drive spin cycle. If it is motor work, it is definitely problem with the capacitor. This one also 13 microfarad capacitor, it should work. If it is any problem with the capacitor, now it should work. Now we will give the power connection again and we will check. Now I already given power again, and I'm selecting again spin cycle. Now I already, now drain motor, you can see here it's already catch. Now I already replaced the capacitor as same before, 13 microfarad capacitor. Now you can see motor starting. Now our job already completed.
Now I have to refix all the wire harness assemble and capacitor everything permanently. After that we can hand over to the customer. Thanks. Now we understood what will happen, capacitor defect, otherwise capacitor weak, motor not rotating. After replacing capacitor only motor rotating like that. This machine actually it's a little bit complicated job because the wire harness assemble and capacitor everything we have to lay down the machine, otherwise we cannot find out the capacitor is too inside. Because of that little bit not easy job actually, that's why I did like that. Otherwise direct I can replace the capacitor LG like that. It is very easy. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very short.